Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey to discover foods and drinks that may help you conquer snoring and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. Get ready for some mouth-watering remedies that will make snoring a thing of the past. Let's dive right in. Our first snore-busting elixir is none other than peppermint tea. Not only does it offer refreshing taste, but peppermint also possesses natural decongestant properties. By sipping on a warm cup of peppermint tea before bedtime, you can relax the muscles in your throat and nasal passages. This relaxation helps widen the airways, allowing for smoother breathing and reducing the vibrations that lead to snoring. Next up, let's embrace the golden power of turmeric milk. This vibrant drink contains curcumin, a potent compound with remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. By enjoying a warm cup of turmeric milk, you introduce curcumin into your system, which helps reduce inflammation in the throat and airways. By minimizing swelling and irritation, turmeric milk can enhance airflow and contribute to a more peaceful night's sleep. Now, let's sweeten things up with the golden nectar, honey. Not only is honey a natural sweetener, but it also possesses soothing properties. When you consume honey, it coats the throat, reducing irritation and inflammation. This soothing effect can alleviate symptoms that contribute to snoring, allowing for easier breathing and a quieter night. Time to take a tropical twist with pineapple. This juicy fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain, known for its ability to reduce mucus production and ease inflammation in the airways. By incorporating fresh pineapple or enjoying a glass of pineapple juice, you introduce bromelain into your system, which can help clear airway obstructions and minimize snoring. Let's spice things up with the power of ginger-infused water. Ginger is a true superhero when it comes to reducing inflammation and congestion. Its active compound, gingerol, possesses strong anti-inflammatory properties. By boiling fresh ginger slices and enjoying a warm cup before bed, you introduce these anti-inflammatory benefits to your throat and airways, helping to reduce swelling and promote smoother breathing. Chamomile tea, the ultimate bedtime companion. Its calming properties are not only beneficial for the mind but also for the throat. By sipping on a cup of chamomile tea before sleep, you help relax the muscles in your throat, including those that contribute to snoring. This gentle relaxation keeps the airways open, reducing the vibrations and resulting in a more peaceful slumber. Let's explore the powerful benefits of garlic. Besides adding flavor to your meals, garlic contains allicin, a compound renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. By incorporating garlic into your diet or even consuming it raw, you introduce allicin to your system, helping to reduce inflammation in the airways. With reduced swelling and irritation, snoring can become a thing of the past. Next, we have the liquid gold known as olive oil. This versatile oil is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. By drizzling olive oil over your salads or using it in your cooking, you introduce its anti-inflammatory benefits to your body. This can help calm inflammation in the throat and airways, facilitating better airflow and potentially reducing snoring. So let's embrace the Mediterranean goodness and bid farewell to those nightly snores. Time for a quick gargle session. Grab a glass of warm salt water, tilt your head back, and gargle away. This simple yet effective technique helps reduce throat inflammation, clears mucus, and prepares your airways for a peaceful night's sleep. Gargling with warm salt water creates an environment less prone to snoring causing obstructions, allowing for better breathing and a quieter slumber. Finally, let's harness the power of herbal steam inhalation. Imagine creating your very own mini spa session. By boiling water and adding essential oils like eucalyptus, thyme, or peppermint, you create a soothing steam that works wonders for your airways. As you inhale the aromatic steam, it helps open your nasal passages, reduce congestion, and clear any excess mucus. This promotes optimal airflow and can significantly reduce snoring. And there you have it, folks. 10 tantalizing foods and drinks that may help you combat snoring and reclaim restful nights. Remember, snoring can have various underlying causes, so it's always beneficial to consult a healthcare professional if the issue persists. But in the meantime, let's savor these natural remedies and bid farewell to snoring for good. Thank you all for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who might benefit from these snore-busting delights. Until next time, sleep tight, snore no more, and enjoy the sweetest dreams.